So you can see I have got my friend's Facebook's username and password. Do you want to learn how to hack social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram? Wait. I'm not talking about just simple phishing attack. Hi guys, I'm Harminder Singh and I'm an ethical hacker and cyber forensics expert. And right now I'm working with various government bodies and private bodies as a cyber crime investigator. And apart from that, I have trained more than 2 lakh students all over India, including almost all the IITs, NITs and various regional colleges. Do you know there are lots of powerful hacking techniques which you can use to hack any damn account in the world? So guys, I'm coming up with the online social media hacking workshop in which I'm going to teach you 5 powerful techniques to hack any damn social media account in the world. And apart from that, I'm going to teach you how you can protect your account from those attacks. Now let me tell you how this workshop works. After the completion of registration process, you'll get a call on your phone, and on that phone call, you'll be able to decide your workshop date. And on your decided date, you will receive a link in your email, and when you will click the link, you'll be able to see me and my computer screen live on your computer, and also you'll be able to see all the practical stuff which I'm going to teach you in that workshop. And after that, you'll be also able to interact with me to solve all your doubts in the real time. Now, what are the benefits you are going to get if you attend this workshop? Number one, the extraordinary knowledge that you won't find in any other ethical hacking course easily. Second one is the certificate. You are going to get a certificate which will be authorized from our company, that is Expano Technologies. Third one is the software toolkit. You are going to get a software toolkit which will consist of all the tools and softwares which I am going to use in the workshop. Next one is the video recording of the workshop. Although the workshop will be live, but we are going to record the video of the workshop and we are going to send that video to the student after the workshop. And the next one is the Moneyback Guarantee. If you don't find the workshop worthy for you for any reason, we are going to refund your money without asking a single question. So if you are interested to learn how to hack and secure social media accounts, you can click on the green button below and you can register yourself for the workshop. Or if you are watching this video on YouTube, you can click on the link given in the description to register yourself. Hey, wait. Did I forget to mention the price of this workshop? It's just 400 rupees. Let me tell you one more fact that 1700 students have already purchased this workshop. If you want to read their reviews, you can go to my official Facebook page. My official Facebook page address is www.facebook.com/harminder.hackers/reviews. Okay guys, just click the green button and register yourself for this workshop. Thanks for watching.